Hello guys, small dino, very cute. You can see right here. My daughter, she loves this thing. Okay, so if you can't find the on and off switch, this is how you turn it on. Hold it in. Right, there you go. And there's a remote to come with it. Dancing and stuff. Very cute. And then these are like very turning in slow motion if you keep pressing. That's when you want to feed it, I think. Go backwards, go forward, walking around. It's pretty cool. Like follow your hand and stuff. That's how to do it. There you go. It's really fun. It's really cute. And then when you get behind it, I think it's get a little bit angry right there. Okay, so play with it. My daughter, she enjoys this thing so much. It's small but very interactive, and it's simple to use. Right there, I think it's falling asleep if you don't interact with it. And if you hold this down for 3 seconds, that's how you turn it off. Okay.